Hey everybody, Greg Luchak with the Luchak Group at Keller Williams Client's Choice, bringing you another fantastic home listing tour. The property that I'm in front of today is 4407 Misty Drive. This home is located in the beautiful and convenient Garden Ranch neighborhood. You've got easy access to the Academy shopping corridor as well as UCCS and I-25. Garden Ranch is well known for its fantastic, beautiful, mature landscaping and trees, beautiful 1970s era houses, and its own neighborhood community garden. So feel free to garden and share and swap with your friends and neighbors. This home was built in 1970. You've got 3 bedrooms on the main level, 5 in total, 2 bathrooms. It's a beautiful ranch style floor plan with 3 living spaces, including a fully finished basement. You've got a huge oversized 2-car garage that has a ton of space on both sides of the cars as well as being extra deep. This is a mechanic, handyman, car enthusiast dream, and it all sits on an 8,000 square foot lot here in Garden Ranch. You can see the home has been beautifully appointed. You can see the gorgeous big trees and mature landscaping is offset by the new paint and that beautiful brick accent on the front of this home. The interior has been fully remodeled as well with fresh paint, fresh flooring, new kitchen appliances, and all the rest. Let's go take a closer look. Now when you enter this home, you're greeted immediately by a beautiful, large, formal living room area. This is a great space. You'll notice those beautiful luxury vinyl plank floors that have been installed throughout the majority of the main level. You'll also notice a great amount of natural light coming through from those beautiful big double pane vinyl windows. You've got great separation with this floor plan as most of the living will be on the main level. From that formal living room, we're going to transition nicely to a big dining room space. You've got updated lighting, these really cool wood beams that accent the space, and you've got a big slider that takes you outside to that big backyard patio as well. Just off the dining room area, you've got a big kitchen. You notice that great separating butcher block counter bar that's been installed in between the dining room area and the kitchen. You'll also notice those great stainless steel appliances that are brand new and all do stay with the home. The kitchen also has great countertop space as well as cabinet space. You'll notice that fresh hardware on the kitchen cabinets. And you've got a bonus room here as the previous 1-car garage that was built with the home originally has been transformed beautifully into a gorgeous family room space. You've got a secondary slider that again takes you to that huge oversized backyard with all that ton of patio space. You've got a wood burning fireplace that was installed decades ago. Really beautiful, really working well. And again, this is a great secondary TV room, family room. Gives you a little bit more space than that formal living room up front. Again, you've got 3 bedrooms on the main level here, including a big, huge master suite. You've got, again, those double pane vinyl windows that let in a lot of natural light, and check out this huge walk-in closet that the master suite has to offer. The other 2 bedrooms on the main level also both have fresh, brand new carpet, good closet space. You can see that fresh, beautiful gray paint on the walls, as well as that fresh white trim. And you've got a full bath on the main level with that luxury vinyl plank flooring, beautiful tile work around the tub shower surround, and a new vanity as well. As we travel downstairs to the basement, you've got a fully finished basement with great storage space, as well as another rec room. You can see how large this room is. This would work great again as a theater room, game room, billiards room, anything like that. You've got a ton of space to make your own. You've got 2 more large bedrooms in the basement as well. Both again have good sized closets and have that beautiful, fresh, brand new carpet. You've got another bathroom downstairs as well with a full walk-in shower, updated vanity, and again, fresh paint, fresh lighting, and updated everything. Thanks so much for checking out 4407 Misty Drive. This home is beautifully appointed in the Garden Ranch neighborhood, and of course, if you'd like more information on this home, please visit our website at www.makespringsHome.com. If you'd like a private tour of this home and all that it has to offer, please give me a call directly at 719-271-8888. Thanks so much. See you on the next one.